Are you interested in boosting your sales with video marketing and increase engagement? Meet Hippo Video, a video platform that allows users to produce, distribute, and track videos to accomplish their advertising objectives. For example, your salespeople can send highly tailored video emails to potential customers to increase response rates and book more appointments. Your preferred sales tools, such as LinkedIn Sales Navigator, HubSpot, and Salesforce, now allow you to customize your prospects' engagement and share videos directly from those platforms. Additionally, within your sales CRM, you'll be able to easily integrate this platform, share videos, nurture your pipeline, and engage with prospects more quickly. All of these features are included. You'll be able to strengthen your connections with prospects by sending them customized films directly from your go-to tools when you use Hippo Video. It also makes it simple to insert unique text messaging in each video, which gives the impression that each email was specifically crafted for the individual prospect who received it. You can also personalize sales pages by adding branded components, such as corporate logos and background images featuring the brand. This enables you to boost user engagement on your sales page by adding interactive elements such as CTA, forms, polls, and surveys, and branching directly to the page. You can even take the personalization of your movies to the next level by adding text specific to each video. You can boost the productivity of your sales staff by using the high-quality video recording capabilities of Hippo Video's video teleprompter feature instead of having to commit a script to memory. During the time you are recording, you will be provided explicit script cues and complete control over your voice's modulation and tone. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Boost your sales engagement using excellent B2B videos with Hippo Video. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.